Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. How you doing? In this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to be talking about dental care supplies. Now, I know everybody hears about, we need to have all these dental tools and stuff. And some people have even picked up on some of the people saying, yeah, here's a dental bag. It has everything you need to take care of your teeth in an emergency. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the normal supplies you keep in your bathroom to take care of your teeth. Now, there are a variety of products out there, and I'm not going to pick any one to say this is the one to use. And I know that we have talked about this on the live stream, and we went into great deal with some of the products that they've had to change their chemical makeup because some of the chemicals they're using in them were bad for you. But we're not going to delve into that. We're just going to delve into what you should be doing daily to keep your teeth good. And of course, that is brushing your teeth. It's the first thing. Now, some dentists have been saying lately is, oh, you need to brush your teeth, brush your teeth daily. Well, how many times? Daily. Well, when I was growing up, they said 3 times a day. Well, that's a little excessive. So I shouldn't be brushing it 3 times a day. It's better for me, less chance of me getting cavities if I brush only once a day. Well, no, I'm not saying that. Some dentists are getting rather wishy-washy on what it is. I grew up, it was 3 times a day. After each meal, you brush your teeth. So got it for school, ate, brushed my teeth, went to school, had ate breakfast, ate lunch at school, had one of those little travel toothbrushes, and then after dinner, same thing. I wish they had also said, when you have a late evening snack, like ice cream for dessert, several hours after dinner, you should brush your teeth again. Now, what all should you have in your bathroom for you? Well, obviously your toothbrush, toothpaste. If you can, a water pick works great for getting in between the teeth. They also have those neat little things, look like a wishbone with a piece of dental floss between it. Those work good for getting into certain ones. Dental floss on its own. And then they had just regular, the Rotopick. It's a little plastic pick, like a toothpick, but it's specially designed to go in between your teeth that you can flex it and get into the back where it's hard to get to. Let me check my other list over here. I said water tools, water picks. Oh, a dental pack. My wife first introduced me to getting a dental pack. She'd gotten one from her dentist. It has the mirror. It has a couple different little dental tools for what they use for scraping and cleaning and stuff. So she has some place that she can't get the she's getting plaque buildup. She'll get in there and scrape it off just like the dentist does. So there's a lot of different products out there. There is there's plaques you use beforehand before you brush, Listerine. There's mouthwashes you use after you brush to help put a coating on to help build up the enamel on your teeth. There's a whole bunch of things. One of the things we used to use years ago, and I haven't heard anything bad about it, just fell out of favor, was a product called ST37. And they used to use that as a mouthwash to sort of like an antibacterial. Wasn't nasty like Listerine with the high alcohol content. And it was good. They said it was good for kids. Haven't heard anything bad about it. So that's something else you can look into if you want to. But check with your dentist to find out exactly what type of stuff you should be using. And if you're brave enough, put them on the spot and say, are you just saying this because you're getting the packets from that particular company, or what is really the best stuff for me to use? All right. So with that, remember, brush at least 3 times a day. One of the guys I used to work with at DHS walked around with a pack of mini toothbrushes that were pre-coated with a toothpaste. And so after eating stuff, he'd walk around for a couple minutes, and he'd go over the water fountain, rinse out, and if he was had a snack in between meals, he'd whip another one of those out and clean his mouth up. So There are a lot of things out there you can get to help you do it. Those little packs like he had a little pack with about 7 or 8 of them in there, and he just kept them in his shirt pocket. Alrighty, so as always, everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.